I'm out here doing some maintenance on the motorhome today, and I'm finally getting around to washing it. And look at the difference in the side I washed and the side it has been. I didn't realize it was going to clean up that nice. I knew it'd be an improvement, but I didn't know it'd be that drastic. So I can't wait to get the whole thing washed. It's going to look like a new one. And I'm using these Mr. Clean magic erasers, and it just comes right off. So then I had a vibration in the front end, so I took in front tires and put them on the back, put one of them on the back and put the one on the back on the front. We're going to try that and see if it drives better. And then I put a fantastic fan in the other day, and I didn't realize these Winnebagos had a clamp-in style fan. These bolts here ran all the way through to the top, and it bolted that cover down instead of the bolts around the perimeter on the top side. But I'd already got this one, and so I installed it, and it'll work fine. It just, I didn't realize that they made two different styles. But anyway, this is going to be really nice. I've got the power off. On days like today, when it's cool enough so you don't have to run the air, you get some air movement in here. Those things will, you can open the window back here, and those things will really pull the air through here. But anyway, that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna get busy. We're going on a week's vacation next weekend, and trying to get everything lined up and ready to go, because this motorhome is still new to us. And while I had the wheels off, I checked the brakes, and the brakes look brand new, so don't have to worry about that for a while. Okay, I've got it all done except for driver's side. I'll come back and do it tomorrow. And it doesn't have a real good shine to it, so I'll come back and use some Zep floor polish to bring out the shine in it. Plus it helps protect it. I've used it on the fifth wheel for years, and it really does work good. But the front really looks good. Got all the bugs off of it. Those magic erasers just take them right off. I haven't done this side. It really feels good getting that done, because it makes a huge improvement. Some of the other things you do, you don't see that much of an improvement, but washing one like that really makes it look good. I haven't decided what we're going to do about the stripes yet. And the decals here, because if we spend a little money, we could make it look brand new. We have to get a awning for it. That one's starting to come apart. I think this slide topper awning is starting to come apart too. So we'll need both those awnings. But anyway, we're starting to get it in shape. It'd be nice to just be able to use it, not have to work on it all the time. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.